Welcome in today's video on how to never get wanted by the police in Schedule 1. One of the most annoying things is getting caught by the police. So we got a little workaround for that, and what you need to do is install the CDXX trainer mod into your game. So if you would like to know how to install this game, then just watch the video on the right top corner of the screen and you will be able to download and install the CDXX mod into your game. Once you have done that, you can open your mobile phone and press the M on your keyboard. Then go to messages and you will find the CDXX option. So we will select that. Then we will go to world management, and as you can see, we can select the option never wanted. So now you have toggled it to false because I already had activated that. But if you select it again, you will toggle it on. And that is how you never get wanted by the police in Schedule 1. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!